This summary captures the key points from PepsiCo's 2025 fourth quarter earnings Q&A session, suitable for an audio presentation. PepsiCo 2025 fourth quarter earnings call summary. Good morning. Today, we're reviewing PepsiCo's performance for the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2025. We'll cover key financial highlights, management's outlook, and strategic initiatives. Financial performance and management's outlook. PepsiCo's Chairman and CEO, Ramon Laguarta, and Executive Vice President and CFO, Steve Schmitt, shared insights into the company's performance and future plans. The company is strategically focusing on driving growth through a multifaceted approach, including enhanced affordability, targeted innovation, and significant investments in its core brands. Key financial metrics and highlights. Accelerated affordability initiatives in PFNA. PepsiCo is implementing targeted initiatives to improve affordability for consumers, particularly in the low and middle-income brackets. This strategy focuses on specific brands, formats, and channels where affordability has been a barrier to higher purchase frequency. Productivity gains funding growth. Significant productivity improvements, observed in Q4 and expected to carry over, are instrumental in funding these commercial plans and investments, allowing for a balance between growth and profitability. Double-digit space gains in Frito-Lay. Frito-Lay is set to achieve double-digit space gains in key retail resets, a testament to strong partnerships with customers and the growing relevance of the category. This expansion is expected to drive volume and net revenue growth early in the year. Core brand revitalization. Significant investments are being made to revamp major brands like Lay's, Tostitos, Gatorade, and Quaker. This includes updating visuals, simplifying ingredients, and emphasizing freshness and quality to attract consumers back. Innovation focus. The company is innovating both within its core categories and at the edges, with successful examples like Naked and Pepsi Prebiotic. Future innovation will include a low-sugar, no artificial version of Gatorade and a focus on fiber and protein-rich offerings. International performance. The international business is expected to continue delivering mid-single-digit growth, with positive trends observed in Mexico, China, and South Africa. Beverage sector momentum. Optimism surrounds the beverage sector, with expected continued momentum in 2024 and 2025, driven by ongoing innovation and strategic investments. Management's forecasts and guidance. Strengthen second-half sales growth. The company anticipates sales growth to strengthen in the second half of the year as more initiatives are implemented and gain traction. Balanced EPS cadence. Earnings per share, EPS, is expected to be relatively balanced between the first and second halves of the year. International mid-single-digit growth. The international segment is projected to maintain mid-single-digit growth, consistent with its performance over the past 19 quarters. North America beverage growth. Continued acceleration is expected from the North America beverage sector, with ongoing positive momentum. Significant risk factors and management's response. Affordability pressure. Middle and low-income consumers continue to face financial pressure, requiring PepsiCo to consistently earn their place in shopping baskets. The affordability initiatives are a direct response to this. GLP-1 impact. The increasing adoption of GLP-1 medicines is a consideration. PepsiCo is proactively responding by promoting portion control, offering smaller serving sizes, and focusing on hydration and functional ingredients like fiber and protein. They view this as an opportunity to adapt to evolving consumer landscapes. Macroeconomic conditions. Guidance is built on observed trends from Q4, acknowledging varying international market conditions. The company is focused on its business environment rather than broader macroeconomic factors. Key statements from CEO Ramon Laguarta on the affordability strategy. We believe that for some consumers, particularly those in low and middle-income brackets, the main challenge to faster adoption in our category is affordability. Therefore, we have been exploring various methods to improve affordability for them. This strategy will be very targeted, focusing on specific brands, formats, and channels. On innovation and core brands. First, we're committed to ensuring that our core brands continue to expand. We are also innovating at the edges of the category where we are observing growth. We are considering innovation from a category-building perspective, aiming to attract more consumers while also increasing the frequency of their purchases. On the GLP-1 trend, we should expect a wider adoption of GLP-1 medicines. We are actively responding to this trend and have been preparing for a while. We're optimistic about how PepsiCo can adapt to this new consumer landscape. We see more opportunities than challenges, though both exist. Key statements from CFO Steve Schmitt on PFNA investments. From an overall perspective, this investment is manageable for the business. It's included in our guidance and our productivity progress. As you mentioned, certainly, that's going to help fund the initiatives that we have. On acquisitions transitioning to organic growth, Tiete will be in the March time frame. Poppy in the July time frame. Alani Nu towards the end of the year. It should certainly help our organic growth. We haven't been specific on exactly what that will be, but we'll report on that as the quarters evolve. In summary, PepsiCo is executing a robust strategy focused on affordability, innovation, and core brand strength to drive growth. Productivity gains are a critical enabler, and the company is proactively addressing evolving consumer needs and macro trends, positioning itself for sustained performance.